Hello, world changers, history makers, pacesetters. It's Keroy here, aka Mother Ego. How is everybody doing? I know you're doing fine. I would like to welcome all the new followers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you are benefiting from all the videos. I have two things I want to address today. One is thank you for those who have interest in the Eagles Coaching and Mentorship Club. Leave your comment below and I'll send you more information. This is a paid membership, so only serious people. Remember, iron sharpens iron. Hi, Godfrey. How are you? I see you. Where are you? Leave a comment below. Anyway, you guys, we have to work together. We are stronger as a team. So this group is a personal development group to encourage you. We'll address topics like mindset change, personal confidence, getting to your fullest potential. If you're better, we are all better as a society. So feel free to join the group. Anyway, the topic today is, are you putting deposits in all areas of your life? And those areas are mostly faith, finance, family, fun, relationships. You need to put deposits over there. So as we get excited about achieving goals, sometimes we forget to put deposits in all areas, and we focus on only one area and other areas get depleted. But we have to be mindful. As you get successful, you want your family to be successful, you want your finances to be successful, you want your faith to be successful. So be balanced. I know I can be guilty of this, right? Putting a lot of focus on the career and forget everything else. But that's not the way it's supposed to be. There has to be a balance. And with the balance, I don't mean equal deposits in everything, because that's not possible. But at least be reasonable. When you're succeeding in your finances, don't forget the family. Or when you're succeeding in your family and you abandon the finances, the friendships, the faith. So be mindful, use wisdom. And remember, above all, get understanding. Well, I love you guys. It's Mother Ego here. I'll see you in the WhatsApp group. If you're interested, leave a message below. Talk to you soon. Bye.